Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access the Samsung secret menu or service menu. Samsung secret menus are hidden menus that are present in the system software of your television and can only be accessed by performing a series of key combinations on the remote control. So most combinations will work only when your TV is off. So I'm gonna turn my TV off first. This code or this combination works on my TV. I'm gonna show you mute 182 power on. The service menu is gonna take a few seconds to show up on your TV. It's these options here. Let's open the first option, for example, option. This, if you don't know, for example, how to reset your Samsung TV and your TV menu, you can access the secret menu and tap factory reset. Go to option, factory reset. This will reset your TV, but you will have to set it up again. You have other options. I advise you not to make any changes if you don't know what you are doing to avoid any bad manipulations on your TV. If a combination does not work on your TV, just try another one. It depends on your TV model. So I'm going to add other secret combinations in the description. So to leave the secret menu, just turn off your TV and turn it back on. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.